Understanding oven dried, an English phrase explained. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the world of cooking-related phrases in English. We'll be unraveling the meaning behind the term oven dried. So, grab your notebook, and let's get started on this flavorful journey. When we break down the phrase oven dried, we're looking at two components. An oven is a kitchen appliance used for baking or roasting, while dried refers to something from which moisture has been removed. Put together, oven dried describes a method of dehydrating food inside an oven. Oven drying is a technique that involves using low heat over a prolonged period to slowly remove water from food. This method is often used for preserving fruits, vegetables, and herbs. It's a gentle alternative to sun drying, especially useful in climates lacking strong, consistent sunlight. You'll come across the term oven dried in various recipes or food packaging. It's a sign that the item has been intentionally dehydrated to concentrate flavors, extend shelf life, or prepare for a particular culinary use, like oven-dried tomatoes on a gourmet pizza. Understanding the term oven-dried is crucial for both following recipes accurately and for food preservation techniques. It ensures the desired texture and flavor profile is achieved, which is essential in dishes where moisture content is critical. We hope this explanation helps you better understand the phrase oven-dried and adds a new tool to your English language kitchen. Remember, cooking terms can add spice to your language learning as much as to your food. Until next time, happy learning!